keeps falling outside, my heart still beats in pain. The sky feels vast and quiet, half dream, half real remains. Oh, gentle sound of rain falling on roofs and ground. Why does my heart feel torn with sorrow all around? A vague and tender grief invades my fragile soul. Someone has turned away and left my throat to choke. Suddenly I feel alone, don't know the reason why. No love, no blame, no tears, still pain won't pass me by. This pain hides deep in verse, no shape, no shade, no hue, no fate to bind our hearts, yet sadness feels so true. Why miss when there's no love? Why hold yet can't let go? Life drifts between two shores, half real, half shadowed Rain, rain, why must you fall and freeze the autumn skies? The weaver weeps above, the woodman coldly cries. From where do all rains come? They fall from dawn till noon. Let clouds drift through my life and leave me cold too soon. The road home hears the rain, each drop short then long sighs. I miss you so, my dear, my soul's like leaves that fly. The road home hears the rain, each drop short then long sighs. Where are you now, my love, this love so sad, so high? This pain hides deep in verse, no shape, no shade, no hue, no fate to bind our hearts, yet sadness feels so true. Why miss when there's no love? Why hold yet can't let go? Life drifts between two shores, half real, half shadowed Rain, rain, why must you fall and freeze the autumn skies? The weaver weeps above, the woodman coldly cries. From where do all rains come? They fall from dawn till noon. Let clouds drift through my life and leave me cold too soon. The road home hears the rain, each drop short then long dear my soul's like leaves that fly.